It's a gorgeous day here in Northern California. The sky is blue, the sun is shining. It's a great day for a bike ride. Here at the Arthofer Tonkin Law Offices, we've handled bike cases, bike accident cases for almost 2 decades. If you've been involved in a bicycle accident, we welcome the opportunity to consult with you about your injuries, about your case. Consultation is free. There's some things you need to know when you've been involved in a bicycle accident. 3 things in particular are common to all the bicycle cases we've handled over the years. 1, bicyclists are hard to see. You really can't have too many lights on your bike, too many reflectors on your bike, or too much safety gear to warn the motoring public that you're there. Under the California Vehicle Code, you have a right to ride, so long as you comply with the law, in the roadway. But drivers are on the lookout for other cars. They don't see pedestrians very well, and they don't particularly see bicyclists very well. So as a bicyclist, you're hard to see on the roadway. Take extra care. Make sure that if you have the opportunity, the other driver sees you. Because what we hear almost inevitably in bicycle cases, the driver who hit our client who was on the bike just simply didn't see them, no matter how careful our client, the bicyclist, was being. Another common factor that we find in bicycle accidents is severe injuries. This one sort of makes sense, right? Bicyclists don't enjoy as much protection as someone in a vehicle. It's important, if you've been involved in a bicycle accident, that you work with an attorney who's familiar with the type of injuries that you've sustained and familiar with how a litigation involving those injuries will progress. This is exactly what we do here at our firm. Now, you'll also find a third common element to bicycle accident cases, and that is that the bicyclist is often blamed for the accident. We've seen innumerable traffic collision reports produced by law enforcement that the bicyclist is found to be either entirely or partially at fault. We even had one insurance company take the position that our client who was on a bike was speeding. So if you're involved in a bicycle accident, there's a chance that you're going to be blamed and that you're going to need an attorney on your side who can properly assess what really happened in the case and the liability and provide the appropriate workup with your case to convince the adverse insurance company that this accident wasn't your fault. If you're a bicyclist and you've been involved in an accident, give us a call at the Arthofer Tonkin Law Offices today. We want to consult with you, and there's no charge for our initial consultation.